Welcome to the Lawyers Think Tank. Today we are going to discuss eligibility for the JMFC examination. So if the student appearing for this exam is lawyer, attorney or advocate, the eligibility criteria for him or her is as follows. First, his or her age should not be less than 29 years and not more than 35 years. Then he should have a degree in law. Also, 3 years of legal practice as a lawyer, attorney or advocate in Mumbai High Court or in a subordinate court. Third is that the service of the post of public prosecutor in Maharashtra shall be deemed to be a judicial profession for the purpose of qualification for the exam. Now lastly, if the student appearing for this examination is member of service staff of High Court or court subordinate to the High Court or the Ministry of Laws and Department of Justice and other posts. So the eligibility is as follows. Age should not be less than 21 years and not more than 45 years. He should have at least 3 years of service on date mentioned in the advertisement or notification after graduation is completed. Now these were the criteria which were different for each candidate. But there are 3 eligibility criteria which are same for everyone. They are as follows. The candidate must be able to speak, read and write Marathi language perfectly. He should also have a certificate of adequate knowledge of Marathi language. And lastly, he or she must be able to translate neatly from Marathi to English and from English to Marathi also. Now let's see who are the people who are not eligible for the appointment of this service. If the candidate is not the citizen of India, he will not be considered eligible for this exam. Or if he or she is compulsorily retired or removed or dismissed from any judicial or government service. Or he or she has been convicted for an offence involving moral turpitude or has been permanently debarred or disqualified by the High Court or the Union Public Service Commission. And lastly, if he or she directly or indirectly influences the recruiting authority by any means for his or her candidature. So this was all about the eligibility for the JMFC examination. For the other important information about this examination, you can subscribe to the channel and see the other videos in JMFC series.